Hindi talaga ako umaattend sa hearings. Why? Why would I answer to a speaker implicated in a bribery case?
Only Martin Romualdez wants her dead, and Martin Romualdez is a corrupt official. She emphasized the involvement of Martin Romualdez sa bribery case sa Okada na proven from a neutral court. Ito yung Court of Delaware. Established fact.
Why would I answer? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit member pa ito ng House of Representatives. Convicted of child abuse. Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na merong utang sa aking husband ng 9 million dahil sa isang case?
Minention rin ni Inday na merong kongresista sa Committee ng Good Governance and Public Accountability na may utang kay Attorney Man Scarpio. Okay? Meron din na tatay na miyembro ng Committee on Good Governance and Public Accountability na nagsosorry kay Inday.
So why would I answer to them? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na ang tatay niya mismo, na may screen cap ako, nagsasorry sa ginagawa ng anak niya? So why would I answer to him? Nagsasorry yung tatay, ibig sabihin may ginagawang mali yung anak. Diba? So why would I answer to them? No, I will not answer.
They cut Inday's, they cut the water, the electricity. Sabi niya, kahit i-cut niyan lahat, okay lang, magstay lang ako dito. And then even the generator that they want to bring inside the office of Kongkulong, hindi nila pinayagan. If they can do this to Inday Sara, they can do this to anyone. They can do this to anyone. Grabe to, grabe.